Welcome to my channel. I am Neha Sharma, and in this video, I would like to share a bit about myself. Good morning everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself. My name is Neha Sharma. I was born and raised in Delhi, India. I am 28 years old. I work as a content creator and language coach. I have been working in this field for the past 6 years. I am passionate about teaching and helping others improve their communication skills. In my free time, I love to read books, cook Indian dishes, and travel. One of my favorite hobbies is exploring new cities in India. I also enjoy learning new languages and improving my knowledge. I believe in continuous learning and staying curious. I'm fluent in Hindi, English, and a little bit of Bengali. I run a YouTube channel called FluentFocus. My channel focuses on teaching English in an easy and fun way. I upload videos regularly about vocabulary, daily conversations, and useful tips. My goal is to make English learning accessible and enjoyable for beginners. I have created videos on topics like grocery shopping, doctor's conversations, and festival vocabulary. I love receiving feedback from my viewers and watching them grow in confidence. I believe that clear communication is essential in both personal and professional life. Personally, I am a family-oriented person. I always strive to maintain a balance between my work and family life. My favorite place to visit in India is Udaipur, Rajasthan, for its beauty and culture. My goal is to continue learning and help others improve themselves along the way. I believe that success comes through dedication, patience, and kindness. Thank you for taking the time to know me. I hope we can stay connected. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content about my life and adventures.